So around 3 weeks ago, I uploaded a video on my channel in which I showed you that how I made over $9,600 in just 1 month by trading a 400k funded account with the Funded Trader program. And it's been 3 weeks since I uploaded the video, and now I am again eligible for my next withdrawal. I started trading again on my funded account on 30th of August, and in last 2 weeks I made over $6,150, and in this video I am going to show you my withdrawal proof. I am going to make a withdrawal of $6,100 and I will show you the exact steps that you need to follow. But before we do that, if you are new to the channel, why don't you hit the subscribe button, smash the like button and press the notification bell. And guys, if you are interested in starting with prop firms, I recommend either you go with the Funded Trader program or you go with forexpropfirm.com. I have added both of the website links in the description and special discount code for you as well. So make sure to use my link and the discount code if you are going to take the challenge. And if you want to learn from me how I trade in the Forex market, make sure to check out my website from the description as well. Let's get into this video. So this is the proof of my profits that I have made on my funded account so far. All the profits that I made on my $400,000 funded account with the Funded Trader program. Now you can see that these are all the trades, and actually these are all the positions that I took, and this was my withdrawal 9,624 that I did on 18th of August, and I also posted a video on my channel. Now after that I started trading on 30th of August from this trade. I started trading from 30th of August and I made total around $6,000. Now overall I have made $15,800 in the last like 5 or 6 weeks so far. With the Funded Trader program, I am trading their 400k funded account. Now out of that $15,800 profit, I have made a withdrawal of 9,624. Now I am going to make a withdrawal of the remaining amount as well. So let's click on the custom period, and I just want to show you that from 30th of August until today, in around 2 weeks, I made $6,190. So these are the history, all the trades that I took in last 2 week period, and overall I made around 1.5%. Now for some people this might not be a huge amount, but for me it's fine. I am making this money on my funded account, not on my personal account. So if I am making 2 to 3% every single month, that is $10,000 approximately for every month. And if we combine that for a year, it will be more than $100,000 profit for a year. So it is a huge amount. Now this is the account history. Now let's move to the dashboard. As you can see that the Funded Trader recently launched their new trading dashboard, and they call it the Trade Hub. And on this section, the profit share, we can see my account number. My last profit that I made, $7,699.94. These were the profits that I got after making around 9,600 on the funded account. This was my profit share, which is 80%, and now I have made $6,190 overall, and my profit share will be $4,950. So these profits I made it in around 2 weeks time. So if we click on the request withdrawal option, then it will start our withdrawal process. Now let's click on it. Now it is asking us that how much money I need to make a withdrawal. I'm going to type 6,190.18 because I want to make a withdrawal of all the money. And now it is asking us that please select your payment method, and I am going to select deal. I already have a contract with the Funded Trader program on deal because last time I also got paid on deal. Now deal email address, I am just going to type my email address, falcontrader007@gmail.com. Now if you want to learn how I am making this much money every single month, then make sure to send me an email for one-on-one training if you are interested. I charge a lot of money for that because it is going to be over a year program, and I will be training you every single week until you become profitable and you get a funded account like I have with the Funded Trader program. Now let's click on the generate passcode because it is first going to send me the passcode to my email, and then we will submit the request. Let's click on generate passcode. Now I have received the passcode and I have entered it already. So let's click on the submit option now, and as you can see that my request for the withdrawal has been submitted. Now they're gonna send me an email for the confirmation process. Then they will send me this amount to my deal account in around 3 business days, and I will then take a withdrawal from deal to my Wise account. As you can see that I just received the email that my withdrawal request has been successfully submitted. The payout specialist will send a payout confirmation to my email. Once the withdrawal request has been received, you must reply to the payout confirmation email to receive your payout. Please allow 3 business days to receive your payout. Alright guys, so it's been 4 days. Right now it is 17th of September 2022 and you can see that they have removed my money that I made. They have actually made a withdrawal of $6,190 and overall on 400k funded account my profit was $15,800 and I have made a withdrawal of $15,800. So I have received 80% of the profit share and I want to show you that. You can see that I also got an email from Deal that I have received $4,952 in my Deal account. Now here you can see my profit share. This is the certificate that I got from the Funded Trader program. The withdrawal certificate presented to Ajwaslim. Your profit share is $4,952, September 17, 2022. And here is the money in my account. As you can see that I received $4,952 on this day, 17th of September, from the Funded Trader program. Now I'm going to make a withdrawal from Deal to my Wise account because I like to keep all my money in my Wise account. But I first wanted to show you that the withdrawal process has been completed. I have received the amount in my Deal and now it's ready to be used. So let's click on the withdraw button and from here we can simply make a withdrawal to Wise Wallet USD and there is no fee at all. So if I click on withdraw, it is asking for the confirmation. I am going to click on yes. Now it is saying that the estimated arrival is on 19th of September, but I will receive this amount in around few minutes. So it does not take more than few minutes to receive the amount from Deal to withdraw and there is no fee at all. And you can see the withdrawal is now processing. So I hope that this video is motivational enough for you guys. I just wanted to make a video for you to motivate you that if I can make money on the funded account, if I can pass the evaluation every single time, you can do that as well. If you are not profitable yet, make sure to join Falcon Trading Academy. Take the Forex Masterclass training program and learn from me. I will share exactly all the steps that you need in order to become a full-time Forex trader and trade the prop firm money. So yeah, thank you for watching guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.